better go after her. This is what I get for being honest. Socked in the jaw. Well, Nandy's not too far. Glad I thought to pack painkillers. Of course, they're back in the 4x4. There's nothing. Slow down. Slow down. Well, at least I've still got my dignity. Point taken. Yes. Try this way. Huh. Good. Oh, right. That's more like it. Oh, shit. Get down, get down. Holy shit, is that Nadine? Oh, she's really stepped in it now. Need to get to her. Not getting that deposit back.
Any sign of them? Nothing yet. Well, keep your eyes open. They must be hiding somewhere. Can't have gone far on foot.
Let's see how strong that APC really is. Never get anywhere with that APC hound. heard C4 pairs with APCs nicely. That's it. We're clear. You need a hand? There we go. You're welcome.
You lied to my face.
I didn't lie. I just left out the part about Sam.
Incredible.
Look, Asav is getting a head start and we need to hurry.
We?
Shit. Look,
Spit it out!
Okay, cards on the table. I need your help.
Should have thought of that before.
And if you want the tusk, you need mine. Look, I screwed up. Okay?
This is your idea of an apology.
Well, if it helps to keep your head in the game, then sure. Listen, we both have something to lose here. Am I right?
Just so we're clear, my priority's the tusk. Not Sam Drake. And certainly not you.
Fair enough. What are you doing?
Making sure we're not followed.
That's a good idea. Whoa, what was that?
Exactly what it sounded like.
What the hell are they doing?
Taking shortcuts.
I'll be damned. Oh, wow. The Kings ushered their people into these tunnels.
What?
We didn't find the entrance. We found the back door. Okay. Looks like a stepwell. You don't care.
Shh. You hear that?
Now I do. Don't mind us. What is that?
Whatever it is, it's close. think she's wounded.
Those explosions we heard must have triggered the collapse. Easy, girl. Shh, shh, it's okay. Sorry, girl. We're gonna get you out.
Wait a minute! We need to get down. Just stay calm. Are you talking to me or the elephant?
Both? Easy. Easy. Easy does it. Okay, then.
Where's it taking us?
Wherever it wants. Here. You want some of this? Here you go. Look, I'm not very good at the whole people thing.
You're a selfish dickhead.
Yeah. You're right. I am a selfish dickhead.
Yeah. It's good to hear you say it.
Wow. Did you hear that, Dad? Did get something from you after all.
What happened with your father?
He was the guy that couldn't walk away. The Ministry of Culture offered to finance one more of his expeditions, because this time he said he was onto something big. He was always onto something big. But bandits raided his camp, and local authorities found him weeks later. And this stupid thing is all I have left of him.
I'm sorry.
Oh, hey. He certainly made his choice. So?
Listen, Fraser, you don't have to... What's it doing?
Charging, I think.
Tell it to stop!
Because I speak elephant.
Look at that.
No wonder she was so distressed. Hey, about the whole Sam.
Look, I get it. All right? I've got my own shit to sort out as well. Let's not have that stand in the way anymore, eh?
Okay. Deal.
Come on.
Well, if we accomplish nothing else today, at least we reunited a family.
No, just keep your distance. They've got a calf with them.
Right.
That bull will kill you. Here, I'll take this one.
Okay, thanks.
Move over a little. That's good. Now, reach that way and hold out your hand.
What?
Much safer way to pet an elephant.
Much obliged. Salah battling the tiger. I'd say we're on the right track. Maybe it's been a while, but elephants are smaller than I remember.
You're probably used to seeing African elephants. These are Indian elephants.
Nice of Asav to leave some supplies for us.
Load up if you need it.
Good call.
Up here. Hey, up the stairs. I see light through the water.